When will we get our light bulb moment? When we switch on to what needs to be done.
While some are in the dark ages about climate changes,
others have a hiraeth for how things used to be. But see the signs, this is our time.
we're all connected.
Our faces reflected in lakes and rivers that send shivers down our Instagrams.
A danfon ein enaid dros y môr.
To bring us outdoors.
In prams, in boots, in our elements.
We're meant to look out for each other. For brothers, sisters, in the blistering sun and down the barrel of a gun, a wildlife is declining.
Nature's just surviving instead of thriving.
In oceans, in valleys, and through the trees.
Mae'r ateb yn y tir.
Don't let our attitude be the disease that makes the birds and the bees endangered species.
Mae fe yn ein gwaed ni, yn ein calon llawn daioni.
The time is now to give us that chance. We need to understand it. Future generations depend on it.
If this world was a meme, we'd comment on it. Tweets came from trees and they sang from it.
Codwch a llamwch, pob bro a'i afonydd. And it's no surprise that birth rhymes with earth, but we're grown-ups now and we need to act on it.
Our commitments don't need a graph.
Don't let how green was my valley be an epitaph.
Keep the issue in the spotlight. We can make it right.
As dim hyd yn oed angen i ni godi ein llais.
That light bulb moment?
We've already had it.
Turn the lights off.
That's our promise to the planet.